How to use Find and Replace in Microsoft Word. This feature is especially useful when you need to find a word or phrase that appears multiple times in a document and replace it quickly without searching manually. For example, I will replace Microsoft Word with Word. First, go to the Home tab. In the Editing group, click Replace. You can also press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. In the Find and Replace dialog box, enter Microsoft Word in the Find What box. Then enter Word in the Replace With box. If you want to replace every occurrence at once, click Replace All. Word will automatically replace all matching words throughout the document. If you want to review each result before replacing it, click Find Next to locate the next occurrence, and then select Replace when needed. You can also click More to access additional search options. For example, Match Case allows you to distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. Be careful when using Replace All, because Word will replace every matching occurrence, including ones you may want to keep unchanged. For example, if the word appears 3 times, but you only want to change 2 of them, use Find Next and replace individually instead of using Replace All. Once you're finished, click Close to exit the Find and Replace dialog box. And that's it. Now you know how to find and replace words or phrases quickly in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.